Yo, it's Mo. Some really big mistakes that traders make, and they don't need to be making these mistakes, are what I'm going to show you right now. And I really think it comes down to what chart you're using. So I'm going to use Apple for an example right here. Looking back when Apple, you guys remember this. This was one of the most incredible runs, and I remember this specifically because I had covered calls on Apple at $175, and I was getting a little worried when it went about 12 or 13 days in a row of positive price action. The stock went up 13 days in a row. If that doesn't make any sense, or that doesn't scream, hey, this thing's going to come right back down, I don't know what does. But it did happen. And all of that time it happened, look at where the trend was. The long-term trend, it was down. The red line was below yellow, coming through the sweet spot, even as we had 13 days of positive price action. And when it did switch, you notice here it switched, came up a little bit, and then it reverted right back down, went down to this $130 level or something. Now, if I'm trading this long-term, there was no reason for me to be in this stock to run this price up. Yes, sometimes price action happens and you're going to miss it. That's just the way that it's going to work. If you want to be a good trader, you have to trust your trend. And I've said it a million times, the trend is your friend. What I would have rather this person done that made all this money and then lost all this money was come over here and notice that we're on a totally different chart. This is a daily chart. You could have caught this entire run right here and known when to get out based on this overall daily trend and seeing you had those 2 days of selling volume coming in. So you just have a little bit more information. When you see something that goes up 13 days in a row, you have to say to yourself, there's something wrong here. There needs to be a pullback at some point. This, everybody knows, this is a flagpole. And what flagpoles mean, if you're new, something that goes straight up, it's going to come straight back down. Let me actually switch the chart here to a line chart, just so you can see the flagpole that I'm talking about. So this right here is our flagpole. It went straight up. No W formations were in there. We didn't have any pullback, anything like that. These W formations create some type of support level. We didn't have that. We had goes straight up. I always draw a flag with a little face, and it comes straight back down. So this is where you need to know which chart you are going to use. Guys, don't feel bad if you've done it. I did it. When I first started out, I looked at a chart and I didn't really know what was going on. I used the wrong chart for certain things, but thankfully, I found somebody and a mentor, and I could be that mentor for you. Come and join me in the Bid and Ask Nation. I have the Trading 101 series. As soon as you join, you're going to get access, and you're going to understand which of these 2 charts and 3 charts with the day trading chart, if that's what you're interested in, to use in the different situations, different run-ups, different run-downs, going long, going short. You also have the chat. I am in the chat 24/7. I'm sending hundreds of messages a day, including on weekends, where you can access me at any time. I do Saturday live seminars, exclusive only to the Bid and Ask Nation. We cover these types of topics: how to short, how to go long on a swing trading chart, how to day trade, what options to sell. Paul and I also go live multiple times a week at about 10:15 in the morning, and we trade with you guys. We answer questions with you guys. If this is something that you are serious about, or something that you really want to get into but have never known where to start, I am here for you. Come and join me in the Bid and Ask Nation. The more you learn, the less you are going to fear. I'll catch you on the flippity flop.